Hey guys, I'm on the Carnival Dream. We're docked here in beautiful St. Maarten. I thought I would just take my camera ashore and give you a view of the port here. So let's do a little walking tour of the port here in St. Maarten. It's a very pretty port, or at least out here on the dock it is. They do. I got to walk over here and get a shot of this yacht. Man, that's nice. I think every port we go to has a Diamonds International. Well, there's a sign shows where everything is. There's St. Maarten. I bet a lot of people get their picture made in front of that. Yeah. Crocs. Yeah, if you want a taxi, that's where you go.
This is St. Maarten.
Morning. I heard you say the airplane thing, so where's that at? Yeah, and how far is that?
I'll do that.
See the Carnival Dream up above that building. Here's the back of that big yacht. Nice picture of the Carnival Dream. That's the dolphins. Yeah, looks like we're still the only ship in port today. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little port walking tour here in St. Maarten. I have to say it's a nice clean little port. It's not real big, but it's big enough. Got lots of shops. A lot of the shops were closed today because it was Sunday, but there was still plenty open. But hey, the prices were about what you'd find in any cruise port. They wasn't extremely high. They was reasonable. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other cruise videos. Till next time, happy cruising.